ka Maruti Suzuki kalas dang yak jirakhi yak ayom lek ban Christmas takabala bandi hadu shispa tiliki kali Celerio patmai tang hapo shisngi ka jingdi kini kali lapun long kumshibanta jong Celerio Christmas Carnival hakaba kinongdi yaki kali Maruti Suzuki hasilong kilasim yakani ka kam kabakrau bandi shispa tiliki Celerio patmai ka shisngi yakani kelempung lapun long hapeng kanongba kata kamaran Fairgate Shillong kakali Celerio bathamai badang super mission kadai kakali kababam duna tam ka petrol na baro ki kali ha India bat kani kakali kalakring ya shibun kinong thiet namar kalong kakali ka baitanan bat ka jing ipu ipieng banasabar kiba kat kum ka juk menta sisa ka kring ya ki khmat bat kadai kakali ka baningkong ka badon lut ya baro hakabai dei bat ka jisngan bat ka jingsuk panya ya kani kali laplai pa ba do lampang ki ying do bar thawan ka jalla ba mit ba ling do hagajin lang pat kui kui di kiri rang ba.
And this also especially for one specific model, which is the new Celerio. So I would like to congratulate in advance to all those customers who have really valued Maruti and choose Celerio to be the model and the car for this Christmas celebration and for the new year 2022 as well. So once again, I would like to convey my best wishes to all the dearest customers and their families. Wish you all the best with the new car and drive safe and God bless you all.
Maruti hapo ka jingiram jong new branch manager kalale special kakwa ban pedang buram ya fi kinong thiet ya kine ki Maruti Celerio new Celerio te kra bok nang gini kasni ban pelai pai ba chisen pelai la kumno kumba chispa tuli te ngia dan halu kumba chispa ngut ki customer ki ban sim ya kini ki kali thmai ini scam ba fidan ka jiksania kababhay ka Maruti nakada dawi tila banya sya pihem sim ban kerki ya kini ka Maruti piyai up ban ya kani gasni ban pelai pai ba te ka jing sumo ya fi baro pai ba ki ba menjur ban sim banyak kemen lang menta gasni
2 1 oh congratulations bro please take it congratulations please take it